So check this out, man. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of the Corvair in this style. I like that. I think it was a 65, 66, I believe, when it went to the. It had a nicer. The top was nicer. The roof line was on it. I like the look of that style a little better, but this is just cool to see 3 of these. I think they're all the same year. Just hit the yard. One of these is an AC car. That's rare to see that in a Corvair. This might be the best one, maybe. Or this one. It's probably that one. This doesn't have a windshield. This one's the worst. I can see it. Let's take a walk around them real quick. What year do they have these at? 64. It might all be 64s. I'll see if that's correct. Look at that. Isn't that something to see? Now, I mean, in case you didn't know, I'm pretty sure everybody knows these things had the engine in the back. That says 64 as well. Ooh, that one has a dealer tag. I mean, dealer emblem. And that one says 63. Okay, so I'm not going to even pretend to know. Oh, like that. Is it broken? That emblem there. I'm not even pretend to know damn near pretty much anything on these cars. I don't know Corvairs at all. I don't really know anybody who does either, you know, like just that I know of. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people out there that know, but yeah. Let's start with that other one over there. Come and work our way from this one here. This is the only one that the hood opens. Or the trunk? I don't know. I still call it the hood, even though it's like the trunk, because there's no engine in the back. Yeah, this hood was open for a while, I think. Check that out. Isn't that cool? The glass. Now again, Mr. Barnes, in case you happen to be watching, this is what I do, man. Just, you know, so you know. Ooh, look at that. Ah, yeah, we like that. We like that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Set this here to the side. Let's see here. I don't really see much else. Yeah. This is your master cylinder. Little tiny master cylinder. Here's your window motor there.
Somebody's gonna find something good on them things.
I know, right?
About a mile with the trim on these things.
Oh man, you don't ever see anything like this. 3 of them at the same time.
Yeah, that's what whenever they pulled it in, I was like, why is there 3 Corvairs coming in?
Did those come in with that too, or it's
Yes, sir. All 3 of these came in at the same time.
probably same person?
Probably, I would assume
Wow.
that somebody was building one, and then, you know, something happened along the way.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it's just.
I told him to leave because we take the steel wheels off because we're trying to open up a new unit
Are you?
out there in Bryan College.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Yeah, but I told him to keep the wheels on there because, you know, Corvair wheels, you know, even though they're only steelies, you know,
Yeah.
somebody might be like, I need that. You know?
Yeah, like that, and that's probably something that I mean, you got wheels to spare, you know.
Yeah.
So, heck yeah.
You have a good day.
You too, man. Well, this one doesn't open. Thought it did. And unfortunately, let's go back in here real quick. Yeah. So got seats in it. A bunch of the engine parts are here. So there you go, Mr. Barnes, not Mr. Burns. Sorry, that's Mr. Burns is The Simpsons, which I used to love watching as a kid. Still do. I'm able to catch it. I don't hardly watch TV anymore, so these aren't even bolted down. Corvair. Let's turn around this way. There you go. That's cool. I like that. Look at the switches. The knobs. Radio's gone. But the radio, I think I saw on the other ones, they do have it. Yeah, did they show the mileage on this? Oh. I don't know if you can even see that. Oh man, I can't even get in there, man. Sorry. I think I see a 40214 and a 5. I think that's what I see. Ugh. There she is. Look at that. Solid. I wish I could see under the hood, but it's probably nothing because the maybe I don't know how these open. Unless there's a no. Oh well. Quick look on this side. So we're gonna try to run these kind of quick because, you know, yeah. Even though I do like to look and see if I can see anything that's cool. Because some of these parts, you know, these cars that you leave them, they've been left for a long time. You just never know what could be in them. You know, never know. Yeah, this one right here, the hood does not open on it. These are both locked. You got the key right there, the lock there. But there's the front of it. That one's kind of rough shape. Yeah. It's got the emblem here. Monza. Did that one say Monza? Did this one say Monza as well? Yeah, that one says Monza there too on the dash. She got some rust there though. Pretty rough, man. Pretty rough. I don't even know if these are the correct seats for it or not. It might be. Anybody out there knows, you know, let me know. Oh, this steering wheel looks nice. I like that steering wheel. Heck yeah. Gotta be careful, man. Gotta be careful because I guess last yard, man, I'm poking my head in there. Big old spider behind me. But yeah, I like that. That's nice. It's cracked. I mean, it's got some cracking to it, but yeah. It's still nice though. Got a crack there. Yeah, I'll see that one. Any better? I'll tell you, I see 516167. This right here, that's rare, my man. That is rare. Not really referring to the radio. I mean, it could be. I'm not sure, but I know that right there. That's rare. I wonder what went here. I'm trying to think, but this here, maybe the controls for it. No. Because and these is one of the ones that I don't know too much about, but it's factory AC right there, man. At least it was kind of an add-on, you know. But we're talking. You can see the GM, the Chevy, the emblem there, the bow tie. So that's a GM part. That's rare, man. Rare in a Corvair. Whew, it's hot. I am sweating. Yes, I said sweating. I'm sweating. I saw it. Oh, look at that. Wheel down there. That one doesn't have it. This one does. All bent up though. Under the deck lid here. Yeah, this thing's been sitting for a good while. Looks like the AC stuff is non-existent other than the dryer there. Hose. Brackets are what I'd be interested in. I like the little deals there. All of them have it. Did I look underneath? Let me just give a quick look underneath. I'm pretty sure this one, just so you can get an idea. And then take another look under this one. This one's worse. Yeah, this one's got some rust right here. And then, so let's look on this side real quick. Yeah, she's, they're all pretty much gone, man. Oh, man, this, sweat in my eyes. Oh. Yeah. Too bad it's in such bad shape. All right. Now, onto the 63, right? It says 63 there. Like I said, I may be wrong. Maybe the yard is wrong. Oh, this is locked too. I can see one difference being the tail lights. They have like little, see the difference between the tail lights on these and these over here? You can see that. There's a difference there. I would like that emblem if it wasn't broken. Damn. That hood's also locked. Yeah, this one's probably maybe the one in the best shape, I think. This hood is pitted. It's like it was bare steel or something, you know? All the paint just came off. Here we have a nest of some sort in Monza. Rust on the floors. Seats are still there. Shifter's there. There's radio on this one. Is it different than the other one? You got your ashtray up here. Come on, come on, come on. No, it won't go. It will not go. Yeah. All right. That windshield looks all right. Scratch, but it's usable. What do y'all think? This one says 900. This does not. Okay. Someone school me because I don't know on these here. Like I said, Corvairs, I don't know anything about it. I don't think I've ever really done any research on them. I just, you know, I was like, man, maybe one day I'll get one of them. Maybe. I think it was Mark Wahlberg's one of his first movies where he was like a bad guy in it, you know? I think that's probably the only movie Mark Wahlberg was ever a bad guy. Who remembers that movie? That was really, really young, you know? Right after he was Marky Mark in the Funky Bunch. He drove a convertible. Was it a convertible? But I think he drove the later one. Oh, and this one, does he have a full set of these wheels? Did I not see that? Oh man, it's missing one. It may be in the under the hood here. Yeah, these are cool looking little rims, man. I like them. Tiny. What is it? 13? Is he 13? What size are these? Yeah, they're 13s. Well, that says, is that 801477, I think. And I don't know where the VIN is on these. Is the VIN on the door? Oh yeah, here we go. Here's the VIN of this, the one that says 63. All right. Real quick on the other one here. There's a VIN on this one. All right. Let's close that door. Damn it. Oh well. She don't close. And oh, it's gone. Oh well. There they are, man. There they are. Let me get a good shot of them from the back. Yeah, look at that. That's a nice view. Heck yeah. Yeah, guys want to go? Yeah, I can go. I'm kind of just getting some shots here. So I can see how they look from these angles, different angles there. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, Elmont, Texas. BYOT Auto Salvage for anybody who may be interested. I don't think they ship. They don't pull parts here. This is a self-service yard, so it's close to Waco. Maybe you're out by the DFW like me, or you're Austin, San Antonio, any of those areas. So all right, man, I made this video a little too long now probably, but that's cool. All right, to the next one, guys.